What's up guys, it's the ALPHA RECON ELITE deployment, this time with a special unboxing for you guys. Runcam Scopecam camera, specially built for Airsoft, a more resistant camera, and this includes the Novritsch video creation course, but I'm going to get that in 1 second. So first, let's open this up. Oh. So first things first, we got here a some Novritsch stickers with the SSG24 and the Novritsch stickers. Okay, that's cool. Four Gorilla lens glass protector that I bought also. This is not included in the Runcam camera. It's included, but this is extra in case of mine getting blasted. The 30 to 25 millimeter rail adapter, so you can attach your Runcam or Scopecam into your sight or scope. This includes the rail, of course, and the adapter, and then an Allen key. Okay. Let me see. There's nothing else in the box. So let's go to the main reason of this video. The Runcam Scopecam plus the video creation course from Novritsch. I want to state that I already watched this video creation course, and in my opinion, of course it's my opinion, but I don't think it's worth the money that you need to pay. This was an offer because I bought the Scopecam from Novritsch, but everything that the video course includes, you can get it for free in YouTube, and it's just common knowledge. I don't think it's worth it. But for new guys that don't have any basics or bases from video creation and video editing and that stuff, maybe it's worth it. But you can get everything in YouTube or in the internet for free, so don't bother buying. It's your choice. So let's open the box. It includes the user manual for the Scopecam in English and in Chinese in the back of this. Okay. The Scopecam, of course. Let's take this out. Oh, really nice. Let me take this off. You can record horizontal and vertically. It already includes the 22 millimeter rail, so you can attach this to your gun. And the battery comes inside of the package. Let me just put the battery inside. It's really easy. Here you also can put your micro SD card, so you record everything. Let me just close this. We'll be here in a second. Just wait a bit. Let's unpack everything. Let's see what this comes with. It's just a screwdriver, the USB cable, so you can power off, power and charge the battery of the camera, and maybe transfer your files from the camera to your computer, and also 2 screws in case if you lose this one. So let's get to the camera again. It's really easy to use this. You just press the power on and off button for 3 seconds. Ready to go. This is the battery status. This means that the camera doesn't have any SD card. In case if this had the SD card, it would be a constant blue light, and when it's flashing like this, it means that it is recording. You have several mods. You have the video mod and picture mod, and you have another mod, but I never used this before, but in the next video I will show you some. I will show you more because I will have more experience with this. And yes guys, this is it. I think this is a really well built camera. It feels good. It's made of aluminium, and the Gorilla Glass, of course, in the protecting the lens. And yeah, I like to. I will review this later when I have more experience with this, because I just got this and I don't think it's unusual, useful reviewing something that I don't have experience with. So I won't do that. Never in our channel. You won't see that. You will see always um, reviews after we test everything. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys.